How many of you know that your energy is bending your reality? I'm not talking about the Kundalini energy, but I'm talking about the energy of that particular outcome that you want to manifest. Yes, you heard it right. Most of the people doesn't know this secret about their energy, but you have to understand that only when you raise your energy you can influence the physical matter. For instance, if you want to manifest a particular car, and here the mistake that most of the people are making is, they are wanting, wishing, and hoping that one day I'll buy that car. Do you know what happens here when you think like this? You are raising the energy of lack here, and what happens when you create the energy of lack? Of course, as I said above, you influence the physical matter with your energy, and when you create the energy of lack, you start to bend your reality with it. What does that mean? Of course, you will start to create more lack into your life because your energy says you don't have it, so that particular car will never come to you. So if you want to truly bend your reality, you have to raise your energy in the direction of you already have it. And when you raise your energy like this, that particular car will get entangled with your energy, which means it will start to come to you. This is how the law of attraction works, but raising that energy for a day or a week is not enough. You have to raise your energy until it manifests in your 3D reality. Most people are able to raise their energy for a small period of time, but after some time, they will go back to that old energy of lack. What will be the result? Of course, you will continue to attract that old reality over and over again, but some people try again, but after some time they will again go back to that old energy. This will continue like a loop, but by doing like this, will your reality shift? Of course not, because you are sending double signal to the universe, and the universe cannot act on your signal, so your reality will stay the same. But do you know what makes you to go back to that old energy? It is your own 3D reality. Yes, when you start to look for results after raising that energy for a short period of time, and when you can't see any results, your physical senses will start to fool you. And this particular act of looking for the results are ruining your manifestation, because that results will bring back that old lack in your energy, and you lose faith in this manifesting and all, and you will start to stay in that old energy, and your reality will stay the same. Okay, now I know what you are thinking. How to change this, right? The answer is simple. You have to raise your energy until that car manifests in your 3D reality. You know what happens here? When you raise your energy, like you already have that particular car, this car will start to come to you. And if you can maintain that particular energy for a long period of time, it will definitely manifest. But most of the people don't know how to maintain that energy for a long period of time, so I'll tell you how to do that. For that, you have to take a decision. For the next 100 days, I'll raise my energy to manifest that car, irrespective of my 3D reality. And if you can do this, definitely, you will start to see synchronicities in your life. And when this happens, you can confirm that your manifestation is coming to you, and you should maintain this new energy until that particular car manifests in your 3D reality. If you can do this, you will become a master in manifesting your desires, because ultimately, your life is the manifestation of your own energy. Okay, now let's see what Dr. Joe Dispenza is saying about your energy. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, if you analyze anything, your life, yourself, within some disturbing emotion, you're going to make your brain worse 100% of the time. You're thinking in the past and your thoughts are arousing the brain more into that state of survival. Now, that's when we overthink. So then the person's having a spontaneous love attack. They've done it enough times, their body's going, hey, it's been about 2 hours without a little love. Well, let me just automatically do that. So now when you feel these elevated emotions, it activates the pro-social networks in the brain. Now your energy has changed, and nothing changes until we change our energy. And when you change your energy, you change your life. Yes, that's the words of Dr. Joe Dispenza. Also, understand, if you can raise your energy according to your will, you will become a master in manifesting, okay? So here I am concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.